This is gonna prove if you're part of the Gen Z, like the 6-7 kids, right?
Oh God. Okay.
Or like the Coco Melon kids,
Okay.
or if you're part of like our gen, right?
Okay.
1-800-588-2300.
6'5".
Yo, what the fuck?
Right?
Yes.
6'5"?
No, it's Empire. Empire.
Probably
Today.
a New York thing though.
No, it's not.
Today.
All right. I'll give you a chance. Okay, all right.
You're for a nationwide.
All right. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
Isn't that McDonald's?
Yeah, what's the slogan?
But wait, do it again.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Dun, 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 dun. Jesus Christ. All right. I'll give you one more. All right.
I wouldn't did it.
Hold on.
I don't